one more thing, because this is important. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Please ignore the backdrop. I'm standing up today, I feel the need to move around. Today we are going to get into my second Murakami unboxing from the 20th anniversary Louis Vuitton Murakami re-release of the collection. So this is the box. Unsealed, it arrived a couple of days ago and I have been waiting for this day, Saturday, to open it up so I can give it my full attention. I already have one piece from the Murakami collection and I was a little bit unsure when I first unboxed this. I was a little bit unsure when I ordered it actually. I loved the panda, I loved the look of it, but I wasn't sure if the Alma BB would be a bag for me. And as it turns out, I've used it quite a lot actually. I do think it's a cracking little bag. So this is the first piece I ordered from the Murakami re-release. It is not a collection that I was particularly interested in, so as usual I was very late to the party. This piece I ordered from my client advisor at Harrods. He got this sorted for me and sent me a payment link, paid him. That was about the 13th of January, so a couple of weeks after it launched and most everything was sold out already. And then that arrived mid-February. This piece I ordered 2nd of February and it was due to arrive mid-April, which I was okay with. Part of me was thinking, am I going to still want it when it comes through? But part of me was okay with it, and I will tell you why. Because my nails, this is the wrong set. I have had a couple of times a multicolour French tip set and I wanted to have those nails again for when I did this unboxing. But then I got a notification that it had been shipped and it was on its way to me a whole month earlier than expected. And I just had these nails done, which is a gorgeous pink. You know I love the pink. But yeah, I wanted them to be the multicolour. Can't hold off until the next nails because if there's anything wrong with this, I need to send it back. So with the Alma BB, I got none of the limited edition packaging, no ribbon, no labels, that's the word. Brain fog is still here a little bit. Oh, very much like the Alma BB, this is a bag, and it is a bag that I've never looked at before. So I don't even know if the bag itself is going to be suitable for me, but we'll find out together. Let's get into the box. Ooh! Oh! Well, hello. Okay, so I've got the shopping bag. Okay, we'll get into the shopping bag in a second. I've got the shopping bag. Lovely. That'll be my receipt and everything. I'll pop that over there. And I have the normal tag, but I do have the limited edition ribbon. Okay, whew. Right, so what to do first? Let's take this out of here and then we can discard this box. StyledByGwenny here. I invite you to stick around to the end because there will be a little update. Yes, there will be a little update to this unboxing, so stick around, find out what the update is. Okay, so this is the shopping bag, limited edition shopping bag. So here we've got, that's an eye and some nose holes, so that's got to be from one of the characters there. There's a slightly dodgy looking mark there, and then on this side it's well, I mean, I'm looking in the viewfinder and I don't think anyone needs me to point this out. This reminds me very much of the Dior bobby bag, the fastening on the bobby bag, and once you have seen that you cannot unsee it. It looks like a boy's sticky outy mummy daddy button. But I got some of the limited edition packaging, so It's very sad, but I'm very grateful to receive this. It did say on the website that it would come with stickers, you know, if they're available. So let's have a look in here. Got returns label, a little advice for returns. Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Is this stickers? Is it stickers? Man, I love a sticker. Look at the outside of the envelope. Lovely. The hands. The little hands. Love them. Never used to like them. Big fan now. Big fan. And then on the inside of the envelope, we've got the flowers. How cute! And then the sticker. Oh, I'm delighted. I'm absolutely delighted. So we've got the Louis Vuitton Murakami. That's the 20th anniversary sticker. And then we've got the Super Flat Panda, who we know I love. And is this Mr. Onion Head or Mr. Flower Head? I think it's Mr. Flower Head, because that looks like Mr. Onion Head. What's that? Just some super flat flowers with the fleur-de-lis type thing. And then the hands. Man, I love a sticker. I'm always too scared to put the stickers on anything in case I then no longer want to use the thing that the stickers have gone on. But I'm really pleased about that. I'm going to say, again, I'm a little bit nervous about this because I don't know if I'm going to like this bag. Didn't know if I was going to like the Alma BB. That turned out okay. Let's see what this one is like. Oh, I'm pleased I got the ribbon. Oh yes! It's this little sticky outy bit here. Yeah. So no more magnets by the looks of it. This is what's keeping it in place. And I've just noticed, because I've been behind it, a little bit of superficial damage to the box there. Right, enough of this. Let's get it on. Oh. Box is trying to collapse. Let me put that down here, and then I can put this over here. I was going to film this as an unboxing and then add it in as a cutaway, but I like to do true unboxings because then you get to see my immediate instant impressions, whether that be good, bad or ugly. And I don't know which way around this is meant to be, but I bought, and I would just like to say one more thing, because this is important. I would just like to say the feedback I had on unboxing this Alma BB with the Super Flat Panda, which is a bag charm which you can remove, but it does still have the multicoloured hands print on it. So many people said thank you for showing us and thank you for unboxing something that we haven't seen a million times over. And we're at the sort of late stages of March now, so the Murakami stuff has been flooding the YouTubes and the Instagrams for the last couple of months, two and a half months. So a lot of feedback, positive feedback on how elegant and classy this is and not silly and childish like some of the other pieces. And now I'm going to apologise because we're going from the sublime to the ridiculous. And I went for the Speedy 20 with the super flat flowers, and I've got to say it was the happy little faces. It was the happy little faces that did it for me. Now, I'm not a Speedy girl. I have brought out my other Speedy. I bought a Speedy in 2003, 2004, Speedy 30, same size as this. Really didn't like it, so I sold it. This I didn't buy because it was a Speedy. I bought it because it was a Stephen Sprouse collaboration piece, and I love the Stephen Sprouse, and this is a great pink colour for me. And I picked this up at Fashion File last year when I was in New York with the handbag tribe. So I wanted to show you this because this is my only other Speedy. I need to give it a proper good look over to make sure the print is all good and everything, but on first glance, oh my god, those little faces. It's the little faces, and I know that this is kind of childish, but then So am I. So I'm okay with that. Okay, don't know how much detail I'm going to go into on this because you've seen this. I think this was quite a popular piece. I think the Speedy 20 is quite a popular piece anyway from Louis. And I think this particular print was very popular as well. There's nothing on the bottom, but you've got the flowers, the happy flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so happy. They are so happy. They make me smile. Double zip on the top. That went quite smoothly. And then inside we have adjustable vachetta strap with this added chain detail. Not entirely sure what that's all about. Is that just to make it a little bit more special again? You've got links. You've got open links and then links with a ball in it. It's got the little plastic coating on there, but I think it says Louis Vuitton on the balls. I'm going to have to say it. That's what she said. And then you've got the lobster clasps. And then we also have the should be the little padlock and key in here. And again, it's in one of those little dust bags that's got the split down, the divider down the middle. So you've got the padlock on one side. There we go. There's nothing special on the padlock. It just says Louis Vuitton and then the LV logo. So Louis Vuitton Paris. It doesn't have like a Murakami stamp on it or something. That would have been quite nice for these pieces. Louis put me on the design team, and then it feels nice, but it looks even better. Look at that hot pink lining. So this is like the Alcantara or however you want to say it lining. And then you have in vachetta the little tab that says this is the Louis Vuitton limited edition 20th anniversary. So if this is a bag that I had never considered before, why did I look at it now? And I have looked at the 20 a couple of times, and it is the most appealing of all the Speedies because it does have the extra opening. I don't like a faffy bag to get in and out of. I wanted something that was a little bit bigger than my Fendi mini baguettes, which are some of my favourite bags. The pink one, especially the fuchsia one. Very much in love with those bags, but they can be a little bit small sometimes. So I've put the crossbody strap on. I've put it on the longest setting. So let's see how this goes on me. I would probably like it to be an inch or two longer. The handles, double handles, can go back. So it does stick out a little bit because it's a wider bag. But I could potentially get a little extender, two little extenders to make this a little bit longer, or I have got, bear with me caller, I have got in my pochette accessoire, which I very rarely use anymore, normally is a bigger catch-all for when I'm travelling, but I did buy for this the vachetta non-adjustable strap. So that's a difference in the size of the lobster clasp, and the one on the vachetta strap that you buy separately isn't big enough to go through the chunky D-ring, so that's not an option. I would like to be able to wear it crossbody because I think it would be a great one for travel. Horizon 55, Neverfull GM. This, the three of them, all clamped together with my vachetta handbag holder hook thing. Okay, now that would be a vibe. Shoulder. Okay, even on my chunky arms, you can just about get it through. maybe not full crook of the arm. So I need to have a think about it. It's by no means a done deal, but I was nervous about opening it and I like it more than I thought I would. Which seems to be the thing for me and Louis at the moment. I'm liking it more than I thought I would. So we've gone from the sublime and classy to the bright and colourful and childish. Let me know your thoughts. I've got a feeling that if I ask you to pick your favourite out of these two, the majority of you are going to go for the Alma BB. Update is that this little cutie, and it is a little cutie, she is going back. There's nothing that I can find actually wrong with her in terms of quality or anything. There's no cracking in the leather, the stitches all look fine, the print looks all good. I'm just not feeling it. This is Tuesday. I filmed the unboxing on Saturday, and pretty much by the end of day Saturday I was in the mindset that it was going to go back, but I wanted to sleep on it for a couple of days. And the reasons it's going back are the crossbody is just way too short, and I can't use another crossbody strap, and I'm not sure I particularly like this sort of chain detail on the crossbody strap, and the print, the actual flower print, which is a thing that really drew me in the first place, the super flat flowers, because they are so happy and so smiley and so jolly that I thought, you know, they're too cute not to have. But yeah, the more I look at them, the more I think I don't actually like it on the bag. And also the bag itself might actually not be for me. Like I said in my unboxing, the Speedy has never really been a bag that has appealed to me. I do like this version of it with the zips coming a bit further down. I think it makes it more usable, but yeah, I think this isn't for me. This isn't for me. No matter how cute it is, I think if I kept it, I just wouldn't use it. I asked the Lion's opinion on it as well, and he said if I was to keep this bag, then it would go straight in as his least favourite bag in my entire collection, which is saying something. He doesn't like the shape of it, he doesn't like the flat, he doesn't like anything about it at all. So with regret and a little bit of annoyance, because Louis had my money for 2 months, this is going to go back. So I've already put in my request for return. And yeah, the only thing the Lion liked about it was the pink interior. But that's not a reason to keep a bag, is it? So I didn't want to string this out and it be like a whole, oh, you're just unboxing for content type thing, because there are easier ways of doing it than tying your money up for 2 whole months waiting for something to come through. So yeah, I didn't want to string it out and make you guys wait forever, so here we go. This is not for me and it's going back. Shame, but it happens. Anyway, this has been a rambling mess as usual. So thank you very much for watching, and if you are still watching, even though this isn't about the cherry blossoms, pop a little cherry blossom down in the comments section so I know you've made it this far. And hopefully we'll be back to a usual kind of filming and video schedule. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do show it the thumbs up love, and we'll dry. Need a glass of water. Give it a like. Yeah, give it a like. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan dabby dozy, and bye-bye.